Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're diving into a stunning lineup of 10 classic motorcycles for sale, all timeless machines filled with character, soul, and the pure joy of vintage riding. Whether you're a collector or a weekend cruiser, this list has something you'll fall in love with. Let's begin. Number 1. 1983 Harley-Davidson FXWG, $9,900, Louisville, Tennessee. A masterpiece of American muscle, the 1983 Harley FXWG Wide Glide is everything a vintage Harley should be. This one's in excellent condition, powered by a rebuilt engine with under 1,000 miles, and loaded with 99% OEM Harley parts straight from the 1980s catalog. It's won multiple Best of Show awards, including at the Possum Vintage Motorcycle Gathering, and looks absolutely stunning in black. Every ride turns heads, and with new Harley tires, clutch, and compensator, it runs as smooth as it looks. If you want an authentic Harley icon that's both collectible and road-ready, this is it. Number 2. 1980 Kawasaki KZ, $6,500, Port St. Lucie, Florida. The Kawasaki KZ series defined the golden era of inline-4 power. This 1980 model remains super clean and nearly all original, upgraded only with a better exhaust pipe, carburetors, and ignition for modern reliability. It starts effortlessly, runs smooth, and boasts zero smoke or oil leaks, a rare find for a 45-year-old bike. With a brand new battery and classic black styling, it's a dream ride for anyone who loves raw, unfiltered performance from Japan's glory days. Number 3. 1976 Triumph, $3,000, Diamond Head, Mississippi. Pure British steel and character, the 1976 Triumph captures that unmistakable feel of vintage craftsmanship. This bike runs and rides beautifully, featuring new tires and chain, ready for open roads or display. It comes with a clean title and a few bonus parts like new blinkers, just enough to keep it authentic but refreshed. At only $3,000, it's one of the most affordable ways to own a piece of Triumph's legendary history. Number 4. 1988 Honda Shadow VT800C, $1,500, Sarasota, Florida. Here's a hidden gem. The 1988 Honda Shadow VT800C, produced for only 1 year. It's rare, well-preserved, and features a fully functional system with a clean original title. The seller even added custom JBL speakers linked to the battery that shut off automatically, a perfect touch for cruising. For just $1,500, you're getting a reliable, rare cruiser that blends comfort, tech, and Honda dependability. The number 5, 1980 Yamaha XS650 Special, $3,600, D'Iberville, Mississippi. The Yamaha XS650s is one of the most beloved twins ever made, and this special edition is in remarkable shape. It's been professionally reconditioned by Limeys Motorsports, including new tires, clutch plates, cable, and rebuilt carbs. With its bright red paint and clean title, this bike runs as smooth as it looks. Reliable, stylish, and priced right, this Yamaha is a timeless classic ready for the next chapter of its story. Six, 1985 Suzuki GS550E, $2,750, Robbinsville, North Carolina. Compact, smooth, and powerful, the 1985 Suzuki GS550E is an underrated gem in the world of vintage bikes. This one's had extensive restoration, from tires and chain to carb kits, brake pads, and a GSXR 600 rear shock for upgraded handling. With a 572cc four-cylinder engine, it's perfect for those who love lightweight precision and retro design. Comfortable, clean-titled, and ready to roll, a true blend of reliability and nostalgia. Seven, 1968 Norton Commando Fastback, $9,300, Jacksonville, Florida. A crown jewel from Britain, the 1968 Norton Commando Fastback. This bike has undergone a complete frame-up restoration, including factory frame mods, fresh bore and valve jobs, new bearings, and rebuilt gauges. It starts on the first kick and runs flawlessly, with only 195 miles since rebuild. For collectors, this isn't just a motorcycle, it's a work of art, representing the pinnacle of 1960s performance engineering. Eight, 1965 BSA A50 Cyclone, $2,600, St. Louis, Missouri. If rarity is what you seek, the BSA A50 Cyclone is pure gold. This dual-carb 500cc classic features full gauges, folding pegs, and the kind of unique character that only BSA could create. It runs and rides well, carries a clean title, and needs just a little cosmetic love to shine again. At $2,600, it's one of those barn finds that's just waiting for the right enthusiast to bring it back to glory. 9. 1970 Moto Guzzi Ambassador, $2,900, Norcross, Georgia. Italian charm meets durability with the 1970 Moto Guzzi Ambassador. This unrestored beauty has great compression and an electric start that turns over easily. It's not currently running, but for $2,900, it's a perfect project with strong potential for appreciation. Part of an estate collection, it offers collectors a true vintage European cruiser experience, solid, elegant, and full of history. Number 10, 1972 Honda CB500F, $1,100, Dawsonville, Georgia. Affordable vintage fun doesn't get better than this 1972 Honda CB500F. The engine's been recently rebuilt, carburetors tuned, and the gas tank is in great condition. It only needs a new battery to come alive again. The compression feels good, and the mechanics are solid. For just $1,100, you're getting a project bike that's easy to finish and incredibly rewarding once running. These 10 motorcycles are proof that classic style and solid performance never go out of fashion. Whether you're looking for a showpiece or a daily vintage rider, one of these bikes could be your next great find. Don't forget to subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more rare and legendary motorcycle discoveries. Ride safe and keep the spirit of vintage alive.